Good day! General Florence is on the show. Let's go! Are X-rays used to see our bones, or it is used for baggage checkouts? But first, let us know what is the M waves. According to James Clerk Maxwell, electromagnetic waves are composed of oscillating electric currents which should be capable of radiating energy in the form of electromagnetic wave. However, electromagnetic waves are composed of 7 different waves: the radio wave, microwave, infrared wave, visible light, ultraviolet light, X-rays, and gamma rays that is used in many technologies like your cell phones and televisions. But we will focus more on X-rays. X-rays, accidentally discovered by Wilhelm Carl Röntgen in 1895 while testing whether cathode rays could pass through glass. Through experimentation, he found out that the mysterious light would pass through most substances but leave shadows of solid objects. Because he did not know what the rays were, he called it X, which means unknown rays. X-rays is an electromagnetic wave of high energy and very short wavelength, which is able to pass through many materials opaque to light. X-rays are divided into two, the long and short wavelength rays. Long wavelength X-rays can penetrate the flesh but not the bones. That is why it is used by hospitals globally to see if something bad happened in your body. It uses X-ray photography to help the doctors look inside your body. This is useful to diagnose bone fractures and even tumors. However, short wavelength X-rays are usually used in baggage inspection because it can penetrate even through metals. It is used to secure if you bring something dangerous or illegal materials. But be aware and don't be fascinated by the X-ray radiation because due to its high frequency and energy, it can penetrate and damage your healthy cells. As a result, that causes spreading of cancer cells and can later cause cancer. But many researchers are still studying to see further potential and risk to the human body. A chest X-ray, also known as radiography or a chest CT scan, seems to be more efficient imaging techniques for detecting lung disease. A research conducted that when compared to a chest CT scan, a significant chest X-ray remains a less expensive procedure. Also, medical imaging has led to improvements in the diagnosis and treatment of numerous medical conditions in children and adults. Many protests and researches that the lifetime risk of cancer is larger for a patient who receives X-ray at the younger age than for one who receives them at the older age. Women are somewhat higher chance than men for developing cancer after receiving the same exposures at the same age. Special care should also be taken in imaging pregnant patients. The use of X-rays has benefits in the future. The use of artificial intelligence in the interpretation of orthopedic X-rays has shown massive improvements, accuracy, and efficiency of fracture diagnosis. The technological importance of X-ray imaging has led to the rapid development of high-performance X-ray detectors and the associated imaging applications. Recent studies have shown that AI algorithms can accurately detect and classify fractures of the wrist and long bones on X-ray images, demonstrating the potential of AI to improve the accuracy and efficiency of fracture diagnosis. These findings suggest that AI has the potential to significantly improve patient outcomes in the field of orthopedic as well as engineering. Therefore, X-rays have incredible function when it comes to medicine and industry. It is helpful in imaging to see what happens inside your body. But be aware